So yesterday we said the importance of testing. So everybody is in need of testing, right? Organizations need this testing so that they are able to deliver a defect-free, a quality product. So if it is defect-free, a quality product, the client can rely on to that. So in that case, we will define what is quality over here, right? We'll define the word in this manner by giving some confirmation or by giving some justification. Now, what is it we will judge and what is it we will confirm over here?
Software.
Software, I think so. Client requirements, sir, that can be anything. I'm least bothered it is a software or not. In that software, these client requirements are there or not. That we have to judge over here. We, in essence, who's going to do the judgment over here?
Tester.
That is what it is. So as a test engineer, we will do a confirmation, right? Otherwise, give some justice. We are enacting as a judge now, right? I will do a judge. Yes, the requirements are there. No, the requirements are not there in the product over there. The requirements are there, then I can say it as a quality product. The requirements are not there, we'll call it as a not a quality product over there. So confirmation or justification of client requirements are there in the product or not, right? So for that purpose, it is test engineer responsibility to understand the requirement completely. So as a judge, what is it? There are two lawyers over there, right? They are having an argument between themselves and they submit all the papers related to that case. So as a judge person, what is it we will be doing over here? We'll be looking at those documents, whatever they submitted it. Based on the documents, I'll be giving a judgment. Now, where is that document? Client requirements. So as a test engineer, right, as a judge, I'm going to judge the client requirements are there in the product or not. Now, in order to judge it, I need to understand those requirements by client. That is why I said yesterday or day before yesterday, test engineer replacing clients over here, right? Because I need to get into the understanding, the thinkings of our client, of the client side over there, but representing to an organization over there.